Hi ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Jennifer E. Cadorna. I am from Nagsayawan, Santa Maria, Ilocosur. I'm 34 years old. I am happy to single parent. I have one son, 18 years old, and one daughter, 4 years old. My hobbies are cooking and clean the house. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years and 2 months. I serve 2 couples and 2 children, 7 years old and 5 years old. My hobbies are cooking, clean the house, and take care of babies. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family in my future. To my future employer, choose me as your housemaid and I promise to finish my contract. Ma'am, God bless and thank you.